Did you know honey never spoils? That means the same jar of honey sitting in your kitchen could last not just years, but centuries. In fact, archaeologists have opened ancient tombs and found pots of honey that were still edible after thousands of years. But how is that even possible? Why does honey last forever when so many other foods go bad in days? First, let us look at what honey really is. Honey is made by bees. They collect nectar from flowers. They bring it back to the hive. They chew it. They add enzymes. They fan it with their wings until the water content drops. The result is thick and golden. But it is more than sweet. It is a natural preservative. One reason honey never spoils is its low water content. Most bacteria and mold need water to grow. Honey has very little, less than 20%. This makes it a hostile place for germs. If a microbe lands in honey, the sugar pulls water out of it. The germ dries up and dies. Honey is also highly acidic. The pH is usually between 3 and 4. That is similar to vinegar or orange juice. Many organisms cannot survive in such an acidic environment. So even if bacteria make contact, they do not multiply. Then there are the enzymes. Bees add a special enzyme called glucose oxidase. When honey absorbs moisture from the air, this enzyme slowly creates hydrogen peroxide. That is the same chemical used to clean wounds. In small amounts, it keeps honey free from dangerous microbes. So with low water, high sugar, natural acid, and built-in hydrogen peroxide, honey becomes a food with no expiration date. Of course, honey can change over time. It can crystallize. It can turn cloudy or grainy. It might even harden into a solid lump. But this does not mean it is spoiled. Warm it gently, and it returns to liquid form. The flavor may shift a little depending on storage, but it is still safe to eat. Think about how unusual this is. Bread molds in days. Milk spoils in hours. Meat must be frozen or it rots. Yet honey sits in a jar for centuries and remains edible. That is why ancient Egyptians placed honey in tombs. They saw it as a gift for the afterlife. It symbolized eternal sweetness. Honey has also been used as medicine. Its natural antibacterial powers made it useful for treating wounds. Before modern antibiotics, even today doctors use special medical honey dressings to help burns and cuts heal. So what can we learn from this? First, that honey is more than just a sweetener. It is a marvel of chemistry and nature. Second, that bees are incredible little alchemists. They turn simple flower nectar into something that lasts forever. Next time you stir honey into your tea, think about this. You are tasting something that may never expire, something that could outlast you, something that has outlasted entire civilizations. Did you know honey never spoils? Now you do. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more daily facts.